In this video, you will learn about the Application Cost Management workspace in ADOIT. First, you need to create a new workspace. Pick the Application Cost Management template. Enter a name, a description, and select the users you want to collaborate with. Make the workspace private, and only participants will be able to see it. In the second setup step, you can choose the main element type for the workspace. Click Create Workspace to begin. In the first tab, select your application elements for the workspace. You can also search your repository or add filters. In the second tab, assign contracts for each of the elements you have added. The contracts that have already been linked to an application will appear when you click on Assign Contract, but you can also add other existing contracts or create new ones on the spot. The third tab is where you allocate the contract costs to your application elements. This involves distributing the contract costs across the applications by defining cost shares as percentages. That is, what percentage of the annual contract costs is allocated to each application. At the very right, the allocated costs in euro for each application are displayed. In the last tab, you can see a summary of all the applications in the workspace with their investment strategy and the annual costs. Here you have different visualizations to display your results. If you're interested in what's coming next, just click What's Next on the right display border. You can find more information in our online help. The link is in the video description.